Verizon and Spectrum are leading internet providers, but they differ significantly in their technology and performance. Verizon primarily uses fiber optic technology through Fios, delivering symmetrical speeds where upload and download rates are equal, with low latency ideal for gaming and streaming. Spectrum uses cable technology, upgraded to DOCSIS 4.0 across 90% of its footprint, offering asymmetrical speeds where downloads are faster than uploads, with potential latency issues during peak hours. Key takeaway: Verizon offers superior speed and reliability due to its fiber infrastructure, while Spectrum often wins on initial affordability. As of late 2025, Verizon Fios covers over 20 million households, while Spectrum has upgraded its cable network to DOCSIS 4.0 across 90% of its footprint. In terms of speed, Verizon's median download speed is 1.2 Gbps compared to Spectrum's 800 Mbps, according to Ookla data from 2025. Spectrum's average monthly cost for 500 megap is $55, whereas Verizon charges $75, but Verizon users often experience faster real-world speeds. Reliability-wise, Verizon boasts 99.95% uptime compared to Spectrum's 99.7%. Fiber is generally more reliable than cable, especially during storms. Though initial costs may be higher, Verizon's consistent performance and symmetrical speeds provide a more robust internet experience. Consider your usage needs. If speed and reliability are paramount, Verizon is the better choice. If budget is the primary concern, Spectrum might be suitable, provided you are aware of the reliability trade-offs.